Hey guys, what's going on? Tyler here, and today we're talking about Elementor's template library, how to view these templates, see what they look like, kind of get the feel of these templates, and then go ahead and implement them into your website and change things and adjust things to be ready for your website. So if you like today's video, be sure and smash that nice like button, hit that thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps in the YouTube algorithm. And with no further ado, let's jump into the video. Today's video is actually an Elementor Pro feature only, so if you have not purchased Elementor Pro, I highly recommend it. I have a link down below in the description. See what kind of price you can get for that. Honestly, it's just an incredible plugin, and you'll see in today's video how much this can speed up your website building process. So be sure and check out Elementor Pro down below in the description. Alright guys, so we're actually here at library.elementor.com, so we're going to jump in here and see what kind of templates the Elementor company has already put out. And I believe they're putting these out like once a month, so I think they're coming out with new templates like every month basically. And so I've seen quite a few of these. I've shown actually a few of them in my videos, but this flooring company, is a new one I haven't really seen before. And so let's just go ahead and take a look. So anyone, whether you have Elementor Pro or not, anyone can go to library.elementor.com and check out these templates and see if you like them. So basically we have here, this is the flooring template. So it's going to be one, super easy to add to Elementor Pro, and then two, very easy to customize. So all of these color schemes here, everything that is, this kind of greenish color, you can change just to your own brand color. Any of these fonts, you can adjust to your own fonts or even keep them the same here. They have kind of this aesthetic going on with the different fonts and stuff. And then these images can be adjusted to your own products or service images, pictures of whatever your company is. So it's just that simple to use these templates. Now let's go ahead and actually take a look at this template. You have, right when you come to the page, you have this kind of entrance animations of this image right here, kind of this fade in. And as I scroll down, you have another fade in on this box over here on the left of our services here. When you hover over on desktop with a mouse, you get these kind of cool about pictures, or kind of like information about this product here, which is really cool. I mean, there's a lot going on here. The actual like aesthetic of the site looks really clean, really fresh and stuff like that. You can see when I'm scrolling here, these little boxes right here are actually growing as I scroll. Just kind of cool little animations like that. You can see we have the testimony carousel right here. And then the easiest thing, like I said, to use these templates is just to swap out your pictures, swap out your colors, add your own testimonies, and you're basically done with your website. You have it basically all put together for you. And so yeah, just really cool things. One thing about this testimonial carousel, remember this because I do want to point out it's actually on another page, and there's a super easy way to do that, to duplicate basically whole sections just like this. So if you do want to go ahead and look throughout, through the rest of the template, you can hit their menu and go to their other pages. Let's go to their services page because I know that's where the testimonial carousel is. As you scroll down again, some really nice, just clean looking setup. Everything looks really nice. And like I said, just swapping out your brand colors alone would make your website look super nice. So here we are back to this testimonial carousel. So basically how this works is they probably created this in the Elementor theme builder, which is basically just like a little place that you design something once and then can replicate throughout your site. And that's going to be like for your header and footer, which stay the same for the most part. You could design your header once and then put it throughout your website on all your different pages. Basically, they have designed like some little section here and either just copied it over to the next page or use the theme builder to actually bring it in here. So if you're interested in any type of work like that, duplicating and replicating parts of your site, you can check out my other video. I have a video all about Elementor's theme builder specifically for Elementor 3.0 that was just released. So if you do want to check that out, you can see that video right there. But what I do like about this is just this whole like aesthetic, even like down to the logo. This can give you kind of some logo ideas. Their footer even kind of matches this super clean minimalistic type style. And yeah, I really like the template. So let me show you how to actually insert it. Like I said, there are so many other templates. If you just go to library.elementor, go ahead, go through all of these, take a look at them. But once you're ready and you've picked a template, it's super easy to insert it. All you're going to do is need one Elementor Pro. So if you haven't got Elementor Pro, be sure and check out the link down below in the description to pick that up. See what kind of price you can get for it. It's just an incredible plugin. And two, you're going to need to smash the subscribe button. Okay, that's kind of a joke, but really, if you wouldn't mind smashing that subscribe button, I would really, really appreciate it. It helps us grow the family, so please just consider tapping that nice red looking subscribe button. But really, number two is you're going to need to create a new page. And once you have your page ready, it's very, very simple. You come over here to this little gray folder icon, and that's going to bring up this library where you can insert blocks, like certain sections of content. You can insert full pages, which are the actual templates that we're going to go ahead and use. And you also have my templates, where you can actually insert basically little sections or even up to pages of templates that you've created. So for example, you know, my different parts that I built through Theme Builder should be in here, and I should be able to insert those right here. So let's go over to pages, and we'll just insert the home page. So right here, this flooring company homepage, we'll just simply, we can click it and view it, and we'll just hit insert right here. And so it says it's going to change the document settings, just so we're aware. We can just hit yes. We've got nothing on the page, so we don't have to worry about that. And we'll just go ahead and insert it. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do after you insert it is actually adjust. If this is not adjusted already, you'll want to go to settings and go to page layout, and it may be set up by default, which is going to be a tighter boxed look on the actual page. As you can see right here, this is not what we want. It's obviously too tight and not allowing the template to expand to the full page. So be sure and go over to settings and change your page layout to either Element or Canvas, which will completely remove your header and footer, or Elementor full width, which is what I'm going to put here. And this is going to allow the template to expand outside of that boxed width and actually take up the whole page here. So as you can see, we're pretty much done here. We have the whole home page inserted. We just need to go through now and add our information basically and change our colors a little bit, and we're pretty much ready. And changing colors, adding information, it's all super easy with Elementor. You can basically just click and start typing. You can, you know, adjust right here if we wanted this to say, you know, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if we wanted to, you know, adjust this to my brand color, maybe we can go ahead. We just got to find where the color is in the element. So I'm going to click on the column here because I'm guessing that's where it is. I'll hit style here, and sure enough, the color is right there. We can go ahead and actually, just using my global colors, I do have videos about global colors and global typography. If you're interested, look for this video right here. That will talk all about global colors and global typography. But for now, we can just go ahead and click this little icon here, and we can click, maybe we want it my accent color here. So just like that, we're already set up and, you know, ready to go with my brand color added, just that easy. So, and that little chime that you just heard was somebody subscribing, so thank you again so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Be sure and smash that nice red looking subscribe button. Let's go ahead and just swap out some images here, and I'll show you just how easy this is. You click on the image, you click over here to select your image from your library in your WordPress website, and there is the image right there. Obviously it's a little big, so we can go over here to style and we can adjust the width to the size that we want. Let's actually do it by pixels, and we'll go, oh, I don't know, 250 is fine right there. Okay, perfect. So now let's go ahead and just update this and take a look at the website and see how it looks. So if we go over here and click preview changes, we can now see what this website looks like on my actual site. And as you can see, this kind of fades in right there now, and we have this color changed right in here now to this orange, which is my actual brand color, and then we have the text that has been changed right here. And honestly, that took me like 20 to 30 seconds. So if you guys know kind of like the content that you're going to put into your website, this is going to be super easy. The hardest part is probably going to be coming up with the content and actually, you know, having like, the different parts and pictures that you want to add and things like that. So again, it's super easy. I highly recommend Elementor Templates. If you haven't tried them out already, be sure and check them out. And of course, be sure and get your hands on Elementor Pro. The link is down below in the description. This is an Elementor Pro feature only, and this just helps you speed up building your websites, and not only this with using the templates, but so many other features like the theme builder and things like that you can really just up the speed of how quickly you can bust out websites. So it's just an incredible plugin. I highly recommend it. So that link is down below in the description. And if you haven't yet, be sure and smash that nice red looking subscribe button and hit that like button if you liked today's video. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, that about wraps it up. Be sure and check out library.elementor.com. That's where you can see all these templates, and you can kind of choose which one fits your brand best. And hey, if you can find something that works for you, it's going to speed up your website building process a lot. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will catch you guys on the next video. See ya.